Yeah, Tuesday night, still light enough to see good. Thailand is house and doggy sitting for some friends, so she's not here, but I thought I'd show you what I could see out here. Oh, come on. Deer are right there. There's at least two of them. There they are. And some blue sky for a little bit. And something's pissing the geese off down there. It's probably all those ducks. I don't know. But Becky's in grabbing the bottle for little Tahoe, and the dogs are going to walk with me. Most of the time, the only dog goes down there past about now is Rainy if she comes out. But we get the twin boys anyway. Whiskey's probably got his eyes rolled back in his head. And it's kind of nice right now. It's actually a little on the chillier side at the moment. It's like 45 degrees out. And tomorrow morning, if the weather guessers are right, up there on top of the hill is going to be white. And it might be white down here. We will see. And I didn't show this view of the creek earlier. Yeah, you can see how far up it is. That's the easy spot to see it. It's up onto the face of the bridge a little bit. So, thought Becky was grabbing that bottle. We'll have to get him catching his dinner. Yeah, gee, I didn't see her sneak out of the house. Down here, and he's already got a third of that bottle gone. Going at it good. Mama's laying there. Gonna say she's a little puffed, but looks like she's still breathing all right. And Buffalo down there going like, huh? What's going on? As he's looking over at the girls. But there he is catching his dinner. Almost got half of it done. No, I turned it off and went in, and she wasn't in there, and the bottle should have been sitting in a bucket of hot water. The bucket of hot water was empty. I just totally missed her. Must have been because I was showing you all what it actually looked like out there tonight. Make him work for it.
Gotcha, Baba. Gotcha, Baba. Oh, such a good boy. Good bottle, baby.
Y'all seen Kathy, right? Well, she's up licking on her baby. Being a good mama. As long as she's up and she's getting around and she feels good enough to give him loves and lick on him, I know she's getting better. We'll see what she's doing in the morning. Morning, Mama. Upright. And look who's at the bread basket this morning. I don't know if he's goofing off now or early on it, but when I got up and looked at the camera, he was going to town on it. And he got that little bebop this morning, like, I got a little in me. And he's going to say hi to Rainy, and she's going to walk off. Good morning, Tahoe.
Good morning, bud. Yes, good morning.
How you doing, Mom? You're alert, your ears are up, and you're standing up. And a little bit I got off of the monitor last night. She was up for another couple hours. I thought she was going to lay down. She acted like it. And she come back over and stuck her head in the feeder. And where she had her head, the hay's been pushed around a little bit, and obviously she ate some. He's going to come through the gate and get me in a minute. So, fingers crossed. Because she's paying better attention. Or that's, I mean, hey, you know, some of you know if she was one of them land sharks, she'd already be over me because her calf wants to be next to me. Don't ya, you little turkey? Okay, well, we'll see what else today brings. It is a little white tint to the earth up on the hill. Trees are a little white colored, and the place that Thailand is house sitting, they're a little higher elevation than we are here, but they're not near as high as the hills around us. And she said that it's very slick and there's a little bit of snow there this morning. She was supposed to have a doctor's appointment this morning, and I guess she rescheduled that once again. She needs to get it took care of. But here we go. She's probably out of milk and she knows it, so he's probably starting to rub her raw. I don't know. But he wouldn't be on there so long if he wasn't getting a little, and he's got a milk nose, so ain't gonna declare victory yet, but I think we're on our way.
Where you going, sneaky butt?
Becky decided to let Tahoe come out and find out what it's like to be outside.
What's you having fun? Oh, boys.
Blue wants to play.
Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bob. Yeah.
It's nice if you got one like this to let him out once in a while.
Yeah.
Dirty butt and all. Don't know if that's his or
I'm not going far.
somebody else's on him, but
I'm not going far.
boy, Blue's gonna try to get some.
We just had a bottle.
He just got done with his bottle, so now he's feeling frisky. And just keep in mind, if he craps out here, Becky's got to clean it up. What you think about the outside world, bud? Huh? What you think? Oh, well. I think I got to go in and help Ty get some stuff in that cow, so.
Let's go back and see Mama and Grandma.
But, hey.
Let's go. Come on.
You got some of Mama's milk today?
Come on, sweet.
Plus his bottle, because I know she ain't got enough to keep him going.
Let's go back and see Mama and Grandma. Come on. Blue. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Who says I want to go back in there? I'm out here where I can run around and play better.
You want to go? Let's go down to see Grandma. Like Mom. Grandma's a big step.
Becky didn't pay attention.
Think about it.
Go back in where you came.
Go.
Here, go back in where you came.
Come on. I know it's a big step.
You can do
It's a
it.
big step.
You can do it.
It's a big step. It smells.
Well, it's been a day. Sun, rain, sun, rain, sun, rain. Stuff's pretty well straightened up there. Ty realized we need to empty those buckets again. Yeah. Told her we need to find a mud flap or something and put over those trays so they don't fill full of water. Probably put them up right underneath the shelf the buckets are on and get it to not run into the trays. And look, that floor cleaner stuff, it got most of it to where you can walk across it and not have your boots full of oil. And Becky was going to start with the Dawn and the water and do whatever. She's got a bucket full of soapy water there. Still got to get this shit out of here. Still got to test that motor. I almost tossed it because the bearings were a little stiff. But the front one's got a grease zerk on it. I'm going to bet that hole right there in that rear cover gets into another grease zerk. So we're going to try that route and see if it works. And we still got a bunch of those square buckets like we used upstairs. There's a whole bunch of pipe fittings that are going to be in those buckets and stuffed upstairs probably. So, yeah. And I got a good share of the driveway smoothed out. Sorry, I'm having me a snack. I didn't bring enough for everybody though. Sorry about that. It's all smoothed up. Cow's been doing okay. She ain't getting any worse. Vice got the oil cleaned up, so bring loader up and grab that and take it back under cover. It's handy to have. We used to have it in the shop with the other one. That Vice actually came off the bench years ago. It's kind of nice having two in there together, but you know, only so much room. Got tired of tripping over it. I'm gonna jump back on this, move that Vice, put the pallet forks on so I can get a bale. Because 2-year-olds do the bale. And Ty's finishing something up. She's gonna get some hay fed over here. And hey, while I'm here, I may as well just show you. Prove to you she's still doing okay. As I trip over stuff. Ears are up. She's spending a lot of time laying with her head down, but you know, you only get so many comfortable positions. She doesn't look as bloated. She's still got some. And I still haven't made the town to get a decent tube to stuff down her. You know, water hose worked before. And I know why we didn't get it in the second time around, because it had the pipe in too far and it was hitting the end of the trach and it was sliding underneath the trach. I shoved the hose in 4 different times, and all 4 times air was flowing in and out. So, and it wasn't stinky air coming out. And what do you think, Tahoe? You want to say hello? Do you want to say hello? Hi, buddy. Yeah, you just think you're going to go wander everywhere now, huh? Be nice, Rain. Okay. May get you some more, may not. If not, Tahoe says he hopes that y'all had a great day. And he hopes everybody has a good Thursday, too. And we will see what tomorrow brings. Get a little more aggressive with her, maybe. You know, all the other shit going on. I know if we get a little more air out of her, she should perk up better. And it's not affecting her breathing much. So, you know, it's kind of been on the back burner and see if things are going to work. Little Mr. Tahoe is not happy. We came over here and said hi to him and all that. And I went and moved that Vice and went and got a bale of hay for Ty. When Ty was cutting the bale after I got off the skid steer, she said, Tahoe's still crying over there. He's crying because he wanted me to stay close to him, I guess. And his grandma's bellowing. His mom's like, what's going on? Spoiled little brat. Spoiled little brat. And I went to get the bale. Ty opened up the feed barn, and now the sun comes back out. Isn't that nice? I soaked my ass for getting the bale, and then it comes back out. Anyway, all these starving cows. Not a single one's gone in the feed barn yet, I don't think. But they're going to pig out. Oh, there's 2 or 3 babies. I think that one's been crying too. Don't know why he's crying. But I'm going to say that's the end of the video. She's got to go house sit and doggy sit. And I've just had a long enough day. Still trying to figure what else we can do for her other than what we've been doing. Old Buffalo there, he got his mommy to get up. And I know he wants his baba, but he don't get his baba for another couple hours anyway. Otherwise, he won't make it till morning. And hopefully his mama gets up and drinks a bunch more water and eats some more hay. And checking the wrong side. It's the other side that gets most of the bloat. I'm gonna say she's had some food intake. She got a pile of shit behind her. Rainy, out.
Sometime I got to do the hee-ho.
Oh, you want to give it by her ass?
Come on, Mom.
She's been getting up pretty good.
Come on.
So I think this is just she doesn't want to get up.
Come on, you stubborn.
Either that or she laid there too long. She laid there too long.
Baby girl.
Laid too long, and just like you, leg goes to sleep.
Okay.
Yep. Well, now that you're where you can do that side, see how that side is. That's the side that the gas goes to. It ain't hard.
There's a little more than this morning, those sweet cheeks.
It ain't hard. It's there though. Okay. Like we said earlier, like Little Buffalo said, hopes everybody had a good hump day and hope everybody has a great Thursday. Thanks for watching, everybody. And there we go. That's what she needs to do. She needs water. A little salt will help her. And, of course, some hay.
She got a good handful.